Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find templates on, how you can kind of like edit templates on CapCut and kind of like find the trending childhood template on this app, this website. You can use the one on your phone as well. Go to templates here and just type in like AI baby or AI like childhood or AI like child here, so you can see like a younger version of yourself or what it would look like if you have a child later on. I guess I'll use this one, use this template here. Okay, let it load, and you're just going to replace the initial like video or picture with your photo. Don't know how long this is gonna load, but oh, there we go. So basically you're just going to select replace here. Let me see if I can upload. Okay, replace. And it should use AI to change it, but you will need to kind of, it's a little bit better if you edit it on your phone though, because the AI feature is on your phone. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.